So I'm Ashwin Suresh, Managing Director at Megamorph. We started Megamorph back in 2008 and been into manufacturing of cleaning liquids since then. So we do contract manufacturing for Hindustan Unilever, Sri Sri Tatva, Amazon, Happy Planet, and many other lead brands across India in the home care, laundry, and disinfectant category. So we've been seeing a very wonderful journey for the last 2 3 years. It all actually started with the first CMPL, and from there we've been seeing every year the revenues jumping 2 3 4 5 times also. So right now we are on a very fast upward growth journey where we are growing towards a 250 crore company and just started a new manufacturing facility in Bangalore with about 150,000 square feet. So it's an exciting journey. The team is growing, the facility is growing, the capability and capacities are growing. So looking forward to what's coming next. So CMPL has never been about the number of people who come to the stall. So CMPL is about that one single fruitful conversation that happens in the 3 days, which materializes into business. So every year we've been here, we've almost certainly got at least one big fish, like I call it. So that's good enough to per se pay back the ROI. But more than anything, this is a platform where we connect with our peers, people in the industry, our customers who are already working with us. It's a good place to have a cup of coffee, chat, and in a more relaxed environment. So yeah, it's always been a good platform which both contributes to us financially and many intangible features as well. So CMPL, I think, has brought about a respect in terms of contract manufacturers. I think as an industry, we are just looked at as manufacturing partners of a brand. Brands always demand that respect. But today, I think CMPL has built that platform where more than 300, 400 manufacturers are standing here proud, calling their company's name a brand. So as Megamorph, I think we are branded ourselves through CMPL quite well. And that's the single platform that helps us build our company and showcase our contract manufacturing abilities more as a brand and not just as a service. Last year I said supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So this is the same question you asked me last year, but a single word I would say to describe this is just excitement. So we are excited to be here every single year. So it's absolute pure excitement to be here. This feels home. I think we've been here 5 years, so it feels like home. We know this is where we come to do what we are good at, showcase what we are good at. So it feels comfortable, I would say. I think it's a place where we really feel happy. We really feel a sense of belongingness. So yeah, that's what I would feel.